Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of DeskDirector's many features in about a minute. Today, let's explore setting up StreamlineIT users in the DeskDirector tech portal. StreamlineIT users can't create broadcasts. The broadcast menu won't appear for them. To enable StreamlineIT users, begin by restricting company access. Log into your DeskDirector admin console and navigate to TechThen members. Select the member, then go to Tickets and then Company Restriction. Search and select applicable companies. Next, set up board restrictions. In the same Ticket section, navigate to Board Restriction and choose the boards the member can access. With these restrictions, your StreamlineIT user is ready to operate within defined parameters. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. You've set up StreamlineIT users effectively in the tech portal. Thanks for watching.